guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos and be a part of the familia. Also, if you want to donate to my channel, there is a link down below, a GoFundMe account where you can go to my campaign and donate any amount to my YouTube account to where all the proceeds will go back into making creative content for this channel. Anyways, today's video is going to be a quarantine lookbook. This is mixed with some of my favorite little outfits because the outfits are cheap, they're very comfortable, they match with any pair of house shoes that you can find, and also they're very cute. So I can happily say, without further ado, let's get on into this lookbook. When we think of quarantine lookbooks, we think of these cute, fancy, fabulous in your home looks that these YouTubers, portray like as if they wear these outfits actually during their quarantine time. And I'm here to bring you the truth that I'm pretty sure most of us does not look anywhere near how we want to look that they portray in these YouTube videos. So these outfits in my video are inspired by the more realistic aspect of how we can still be cute but very, bummed out type cute in our quarantine downtime. Starting with the first outfit, I just pretty much threw together a graphic t-shirt and some sweats. It's probably the most basic and simple outfit you can do in a quarantine lookbook. Next was just this DIY crop sweatshirts. I love crop sweatshirts. They're actually really cheap and easy to make. And I just paired that with a pair of spandex shorts because who doesn't love spandex shorts? Because I most certainly do. Alongside the love of spandex shorts, I also love wearing just sports bras by themselves. In Texas, it gets very hot, especially in the summer. We don't even have a true winter. It does get cold sometimes, but it's not like a true winter. So sports bra is always kind of like part of my look on my downtimes. And I even like pairing my sports bras with a pair of just like simple sweatpants. And just steal your boyfriend's sweatpants because who doesn't love your boyfriend's sweatpants, especially when you're dancing around and it's perfect for kickboxing class. Along for the love of more sports bras, this was just a random one. I do love pairing tights with any sports bra, crop top. Both will do, and you can flex your muscles while doing so. I took that same sports bra and paired it with some black tights and a button-up top. If you guys want to be a business sexy bum, then this is the look for you. One of my favorites in this lookbook is dresses. Any casual dresses, hoodie dresses, t-shirt dresses. They are just probably the most comfortable out of the whole lookbook. This one specifically, I got at Walmart for like $5. So always check any store clearance racks for deals such as this one. A matching tracksuit is always fun. It reminds me of something from Step It Up or Bring It On. Just very aesthetic throwback vibes as I attempt to dance. But they are very easy to pair with a plain regular top and they're soft and comfortable just like this lovely flamingo because who doesn't want to match Raphael? If you guys like this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you liked an outfit, please comment down below which one that you liked the best. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.